In this video, we're going to be making some homemade granola that is healthy and easy to make. These are all of the ingredients you're going to need to make the granola, so let's get started. First, heat up a non-stick pan and add in the rolled oats, the corn flakes or wheat flakes, almonds, walnuts or pecans, chopped dates, and the raisins. Roast this mixture on high flame for about 5 minutes till you get a nice aroma. After that is done, transfer the mixture to another bowl. In the same pan, melt the butter on low flame. Then add in the honey. Bring this mixture to a boil on a medium flame and let it boil for about 2 to 3 more minutes. Afterwards, add in the dry mixture to the honey and butter and mix till it is well coated. Let this mixture cook for about 2 to 3 more minutes. Now line a baking tray with some baking paper and transfer the mixture onto the tray. And you're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how crispy you want your granola to be. Then let the granola cool completely. Once it is cool, you can break the granola apart using your fingers. And then you can store it in an airtight container and enjoy it whenever you want with some milk, yogurt, or plain if you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with new videos and hit the notification bell to make sure that you stay notified whenever I upload. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Bye!